Hi everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the full tutorial on how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So essentially, I'm going to be guiding you through the process of setting up your Amazon Associates account, finding suitable products to promote, and creating content for Pinterest promotion. So by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge necessary to unlock the potential for earning commissions leveraging this affiliate marketing strategy on Pinterest. So let's get started. And before we get into the nitty-gritty of promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, we first need to set up our Amazon Associates account. This is the very first crucial step to earning affiliate commissions. So head over to your country's Amazon website and then scroll down all the way to the bottom. In the footer, right onto the Make Money With Us tab, you should see the Become an Affiliate button, so go ahead and click on it. And then on the website, you should see the sign up button. It's for free or something of the sort. From there, you will be prompted to provide your account information such as your name, address, and website details. And if you don't have a website yet, then you can still sign up and Amazon will review your account based on your social media presence or other online platforms. Again, during the sign-up process, you will still be asked to provide some personal information and agree to Amazon's terms and conditions. So take your time to read through them carefully and ensure that you understand the program's guidelines and requirements. After completing the sign-up process and providing your necessary personal information, you will have successfully created your Amazon Associates account, giving you access to the backend dashboard where you can track your earnings, monitor your affiliate performance, and of course get that Amazon site Stripe that allows you to get your affiliate link on any one of the products on Amazon website. So from here, it's time to start promoting products and earning your commissions. Again, you will have access to the Amazon site Stripe as you will notice a new gray bar at the top of your Amazon website. So let's simply navigate to the product page of our desired item and then onto the top, click on the Get Link option in the gray bar. Select the text option and this will generate a text link that you can copy and use to promote your product. As an Amazon associate, you will have the freedom to promote virtually any product on Amazon across a wide range of categories and price points. So whether it's a best-selling book or a tech gadget or maybe a trendy fashion item, the possibilities are endless. Just make sure that the product does look appealing on Pinterest if it were in a pen and at the same time aligns with your niche or target audience. And this takes us to our very next important step, creating some captivating pins for Pinterest. So to effectively promote our Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, you will need some visually appealing content. After all, Pinterest is a highly visual platform. Canva is a very user-friendly design platform that makes creating amazing pins a breeze, even if you have little to no design experience. So you can simply navigate to canva.com and then in the search bar type Pinterest. You'll be presented with a variety of Pinterest pin templates to choose from, including both free plan and paid plan options. Canva's extensive library ensures that you'll find a template that catches your eye and suits your brand's aesthetic. And then once you've selected a template that you can tell resonates with you or your brand, you can customize it to match your Pinterest theme or niche. Add some unique touches with a text, image, or maybe branding elements. You can play around with different color schemes, fonts, and layouts until you've crafted a pin that really looks great and most importantly captures the essence of the product that you're promoting. And when you're satisfied with your design, you can simply download it as a high quality PNG file and then it will be ready to be uploaded to Pinterest so that we can promoting our affiliate link once we've tagged it in there. So now we want to head back to pinterest.com and then log into our account. Click on the plus icon at the top and then select pin. From here, you can upload your pin image and then start crafting our pin's details. First, add a compelling title that accurately represents the product that you're promoting, or maybe something that grabs the attention of your audience. And then you want to add a unique or informative description that highlights any key features that you want or benefits of the product. Keeping in mind the goal that is to entice our audience to click through and learn more about the item that we're promoting. After that comes the most crucial step for us, which is including the Amazon affiliate link in the link description field. This is the link that will redirect our audience to the product page on Amazon, allowing them to make a purchase and earn the commission in the process. Now don't forget to utilize any relevant hashtags or tags as they can help increase the visibility of your pin and make it even more discoverable to our target audience. I would recommend creating a whole new board specifically for the affiliate pins, as this will keep your content organized and make it easier for audience to find and engage with your affiliate promotions. While the whole process of setting up the account and creating amazing pins with the affiliate links on Pinterest may seem somewhat straightforward, The true key to success lies in consistency and audience engagement. Consistent posting and promotion of the affiliate links are crucial for building momentum and establishing a steady stream of income. My tips would be to make a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule to ensure that your audience is consistently exposed to your affiliate offerings. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.